What's up, hungry and healthy people? John Juan here with Is There Any More? And today I have a special treat that I want to share with you guys. Something that I make almost every single day. My fruit and vegetable smoothies. Definitely a delicious and nutritious kickstart to your day. Always change up the combination depending on what I have going on that day. Whether it's leaving a workout, if I'm having it for breakfast, or if it's a late night snack. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, we're gonna throw in some frozen blueberries. Now, blueberries and bananas are actually my favorite fruit to add to the smoothies. I add them to pretty much every smoothie that I make. Here we have this deluxe fruit blend that has honeydew melon, strawberries, pineapples, peaches, and seedless grapes. Now, we're gonna add some cut leaf spinach. On the fresh fruit side, I'm gonna continue cutting up this apple, cut the core out and the stem, and we're gonna add that so we get some fiber to our smoothie, and we're gonna add some lemon for some zest. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and that you're subscribed so you never miss a tasty treat. We're gonna get everything nice and packed in there and spread around, that way it's easier to blend. Next, we're gonna add orange juice for flavor, about a half a cup worth. Now a cup of water to help the blend. And last but not least, that lemon, which tastes good in all smoothies. Time for a nice blend. And with that, I have this delicious and nutritious smoothie that I'm about to indulge in. Feel free to add your own components or additional fruit, depending on what you have going on throughout your day, whether it be pre-workout, post-workout, or just a late night snack. It's great for all times of day. Again, I'm John Juan. This is There Any More? Let's do it. That's what I'm talking about.